In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate pro sound effects with Suno AI. Suno is built primarily for music, but with the right prompt strategy, you can steer it into clean, professional sound effects. This approach works especially well for cinematic impacts, whooshes and risers, ambiance beds, game UI beeps and clicks, and transition stings. Start by heading to Suno AI, log in, and open the Create page. Make sure you switch to Sounds mode so the system expects audio textures rather than full songs. From here, everything comes down to how you prompt. Your main goal is to push Suno away from melody and rhythm and toward pure sound design. In your prompt, use strong sound design keywords. Phrases like sound effect, cinematic sound design, audio effect, impact sound, transition sound, ambience texture, and Foley sound. Tell the model you want designed audio, not a track. You can pair those with a clear subject. For example, you might request an explosion sound effect, a whoosh or transition, an impact hit for a game, a door or object Foley sound, sci-fi UI sounds, or an ambient atmosphere. These categories map nicely to what Suno already does well. To prevent it from slipping into a beat, always include a hard instruction like no music, no melody, sound effect only. This single line is crucial. If you want extra insurance, you can add no instruments as well. Think of this as locking the model into SFX mode. Keep each prompt short and focused. Describe one sound, one action, and one mood. Instead of a long scene, say something like cinematic impact sound, deep, bassy thump with subtle metallic tail, no music, no melody, sound effect only. That level of precision helps it generate a tight, usable effect. Click. Create and listen critically. You're checking for clarity, realism, and the absence of melody. If you hear anything that resembles a tune or a beat tries to creep in, regenerate immediately. Tighten your wording, add no instruments, and simplify the description to the core elements. Often reducing the number of adjectives and staying specific to the source and behavior of the sound yields a cleaner result. Repeat this refine and regenerate loop until the effect feels intentional and polished. With consistent use of those sound design keywords, strict no music language, and a single focused goal per prompt, Suno AI can deliver surprisingly professional sound effects, ready to drop into films, games, transitions, and ambient layers.